dealing with a nice breeze, which at least helps out with the heat we've been dealing with lately. And the breeze is carrying in a few clouds. You can see a mix of sun and clouds from our Key West camera. Radar is showing that we have a few showers moving in around Miami Beach, as well parts of downtown Miami, North Miami, Sweetwater. Everything is moving from east to west on that breeze. A couple of showers across the upper Keys as well. East wind 15 to 18 miles an hour and gusts as high as 22, 23. So it is a little blustery at times as we head throughout the day. Keep that in mind. And 87 degrees in Fort Lauderdale, 88 in Pompano Beach, 86 in Miami, 88 in Marathon. You add in the humidity and it feels like the mid to upper 90s out there because it is so steamy. In the meantime, it's cooler around the rest of the U.S. We're seeing 60s from New York City through D.C., Atlanta, New Orleans, 70s in Texas. The frigid air, though, is definitely across parts of the northern plains and into the Rockies, the Four Corners region right now into the 30s and the 40s there. The 70s over in L.A. right now, 79 degrees where they're dealing with those wildfires in California. The complete opposite, wintry weather here for the central U.S. as well. Some active weather stretching across Texas, Oklahoma, through the Midwest. For us today, 89 degrees, gusty at times with spotty showers. Severe weather outlook. Well, the Storm Prediction Center is not forecasting severe weather for us today. However, hazardous boating and beach conditions. Small craft should exercise caution. Seas 2 to 5. Choppy conditions on the bays and a moderate risk of rip currents today that'll likely be going up tomorrow. So it's better not to go swimming in the ocean. Not safe for tonight. Breezy, warm, upper 70s. Passing showers. Future radar is showing us that as we head into later tonight, we could see some more showers around. And then as we get into tomorrow morning, make sure you have the umbrella handy. In the morning, notice how we'll see more rain and on and off again. Showers and storms will likely be the case as we head even through the afternoon and evening because of a disturbance and moisture that is going to keep us unsettled through the weekend. In the tropics, we're watching this area in the Bay of Campeche that now has a medium potential of development as it's looking a little bit better defined. Moving to the northwest has a medium chance of becoming our next tropical cyclone as it's expected to push into the Gulf of Mexico. Not a threat for us here in South Florida. So breaking down the weekend, tomorrow still breezy, gusty at times with the upper 80s, and we'll see showers and more storms, especially Friday night into Saturday. And then, yeah, keep the rain gear close as we head into the weekend. The rain chance higher with the upper 80s and scattered storms around likely into early next week. Maribel.